Hey guys, I just played some of the update. I don't like it. I didn't get any of my research points back. Look, new shop, new map, new cosmetics, and a lot of new things for the research. Not Horizon. 3, 2, 1. I know. I bought a lot of it. There's like 22 more stuff that I need to buy. Yeah, buy this. I'm gonna go buy all of this. All of this. I know. It's heartbreaking that I didn't get my research points back. But there are new stuff, like the new bag. See? New bag. Find the circus, explore deeper than that. And then there's a bag. This, I have not found out yet, so. Some of y'all may be asking, how are we gonna get our items? You own every item in the game now. Let's go to the circus, and we can talk about the update. So, what you might be wondering, what, how do you get, what is the thing in the lake? I don't know. All I know is a pineapple, and it's in the water. On. And, it's really all I know. Why are there kids screaming in my ear? I, I. Did I go the right way? I went the right way? Haven't been this way in ages. Like, am I upside down now? Anyways. So, I'm gonna try to find the new bag while I talk about the update. I don't know if we get it forever. Is it like an item we can purchase after? Or do we have to keep on grinding the same thing over again to get a whole bunch of those bags? If you already know, I might stream on the weekend if y'all haven't been missing that. I know a lot of people have. What just happened? Okay. Oh, I was flipped upside down. Yes, I have most of the good ones. The perks. Wait, I think that's the wrong way. Which way is wrong? This is so confusing. I think this way. is correct. The back rooms! Yay! Isn't this the teleporter? No? Guess we go back. Where do I go? This is terrifying. I'm scared. Scary. I saw something. Look at that. Ike's eyes are carrying. I carry so. Who the fuck are you? Tie your shoes, bro. Is that guy showing me the way? Do you know the way? I don't think you know the way. I think you need to learn how to tie your fucking shoes. Look at this man's grippers. Come over here. Come here, man. Look at this guy's shoes. Tie your shoes. Bongos! I want to play with the bongos. Go away. Come play with peekaboo with this kid. I don't want to go that way. Complete darkness. This is why we bring a flashlight. So, about this bag. I was talking about. Guess I'll go over here. Nothing special over here, though. Something just spawned right there. Who gave me shrooms? Daycare! Yay! I get to go to daycare! Daycare? I want to go to daycare! I want to go to daycare! Take me to daycare! I don't think there's a daycare. Circus? Oh, that says Edge of Reality. Kids trying to read is insane. Alright, so next video, I'm going to try to figure out how to get the bag and the mysterious item right here. My editor should have put that there. Right there.